This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again in the gold market. Well guys, to be honest, just the time frame that really needs our update is hourly chart. Since on the daily time frame chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see by yourself this was really very tight action and nothing to discuss, since we already have said anything that we think about the current situation and so on. So just briefly to remind you that we have this engulfing pattern that accompanied by the stop grabbers, and this combination suggests some action to the downside, and the short-term target stands approximately around 1310 area, the first fib support. Although following the habits of the gold market, we initially expect to see the retracement right to these confidence support areas around 1285, 1290 area. These areas also will be the daily oversold. Okay, but on the current week, probably hardly we could pretend on something that will exceed to the downside 1310 area, or even on the current week we could get the move only to this 1318 area. That is the target of the grabbers, since grabbers suggest the taking out of these lows. So let's see what will happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have the same picture, so accompanied with the bearish divergence with the MACD indicator and some a bit ugly looking possible free drive sell pattern that also suggests the taking out of these lows. So very difficult to add something new to the 4-hour time frame chart. The most interesting for us currently is just the hourly time frame chart, because their market is showing some changes relatively to the previous analysis. So on the hourly time frame chart, recall that yesterday we have discussed this possible butterfly, since we have suggested that market really could reach this area, because this was unfilled gap on the gold market. That's also a weekly pivot point that has been tested yet by the price action, and we said that probably market could show this butterfly here with the possible closing of this pattern, closing of this gap, but that hasn't happened in market. Instead of that, has shown this ABCD retracement to the upside right to the area. It's very close to the area that we have specified with the possible scalp short position, and as a result, we have got this triple to sell pattern. So this thrust up, thrust down, ABCD retracement, and if market will show even minor extension to the downside, 618 extension of that ABC top pattern, that a level will stand precisely in the same area where we have suggested that butterfly should reverse the market to the upside. So the 127 extension of this potential butterfly that we have discussed yesterday stands at the same area. It's approximately where is now stand the target of this possible ABCD pattern. So that is what we could expect in the nearest price action in the short-term perspective here. But in general, the fundamental picture probably will dominate, will overrule the technical issues within the today-tomorrow trading session. Since today we will get the European Central Bank meeting, tomorrow we will get the non-farm payrolls release. Also, this fundamental data accompanied by the geopolitical news and some possible drastic events concerning the measures of the European Union, measures of the United States against Russia, that really could shake the markets if there will be some really breaking news on that subject. It really could change the situation. But currently, it's very probable that market will show downward continuation on the gold market. Well, at least right now, I do not see any signs that could make this setup destroyed, make this setup invalid anymore. So That's why let's see what will happen. Our major task is to catch the right moment for taking the long position on the long perspective on the gold market, since currently we think that the situation on the gold market is changing slowly, and market really could turn to the upward action in current year. Also, guys, yesterday I have read the interview of the Barrick Gold chief executive officer, and he said that they expect that the gold market will reach 2,000 point within the 2-3 years. So some really long-term sentiment could really change on the gold market in the current year, and we already see some signs of this. Well, that's in fact all that I would like to say about the gold market. Let's see what will happen. Well, I hope that our short-term analysis will work. The market will reach this area, and also I hope that we will get finally the nice possibility for taking the long position on the gold market, maybe even around the confidence support on the daily time frame in the perspective of the 1-2 weeks.